So now, are you all ready to listen to the song and to see the video of this love anthem of the year, Tu Zarurat Nahi, Tu Zaruri Hai? Please put your hands together for Sunny Leone.
Check.
The question answer session.
Sunny, you're right. Sharman sir, you're right.
Sunny Leone to say a few words about the song. Sunny, how was your experience?
अभी क्लासरूम है सो अभी सब बच्चे चुपचाप के बैठ जाओ मेरी एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छी थी and I feel very honored and feel amazing that I got to be a part of a song like this and also I got a chance to work with Sharman Joshi, which is the first time that I've gotten to work with you and it was a pleasure.
You have always done dance numbers, and this particular song is totally different from all the other songs. So, how did you feel about this?
Actually कुछ pressure नहीं था dance करने में so I was happy when I saw the visuals creative visuals क्या थे जब मैंने गाना भी सुना वो भी अच्छा था so it was easy to say yes and yes it's very different from other songs item songs that I've done in the past and it's nice as you guys have seen it's a beautiful video.
Yeah, it surely is beautiful. Thank you so much, Sunny. Now, I would like to ask Sharman, how was your experience working with Sunny and doing this beautiful romantic number?
Yeah, hi, evening everyone. It's been an absolute pleasure, like Sunny said so. I return the compliment. Been a big fan of hers, a great professional, and it was smooth sailing while shooting this song, which I thought was a very good number. And the way they've eventually managed to get the video going, I thought was rather special. So all in all, very happy and proud to be associated with this song. And I wish the producers, all of them up here on the stage, the very best for this film. And, may God be with them and may the best outcome be achieved. God bless. Wish you the very best again.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sharman. Now, I know you all are desperately waiting to ask questions to Sunny and Sharman. तो मैं सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ आपका क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन आप शुरू कर सकते हैं. Group picture. Yeah. Can I request the lyricist of this song, Mr. Satya Khare, to kindly come on stage?
Yes, hello, Mr. Sarvan. सरवन जी हियर.
हाँ जी.
ये कुछ बताइए हमें तू ज़रूरत नहीं तू ज़रूरत ज़रूरी है ये क्या वजह है इसमें.
रब से भी ज़्यादा तू ज़रूरी है. मतलब आप समझ लो घर जाके आराम से.
और म्यूजिक के बारे में बताइए कितने गाने
सर,
हैं रोमांटिक गाने वगैरह वगैरह.
वेल सॉन्ग ये ऐसा है कि फुद्दू जो फिल्म है इसका ये प्रमोशनल गाना है. इस गाने के लिए गंधर्व पवन की इच्छा थी कि दे हैव सम फेसेस फॉर द सॉन्ग एंड सो Sunny and me were asked to be a part of this song. I think I can speak for both of us. Our contribution towards this film is this song. all the other details, Gandharv and Pawan will be able to share with you. But this is a song I thought was very nice, and when he explained or rather gave me a gist of what the story is, I thought it complemented the story very much, and happy to be a part of this.
Yeah, let's know about other songs also.
Sorry, could you say that again?
Yeah, can we know again of the other songs? जो बाकी के songs
Yeah,
फिल्माए
sure,
हैं
sure.
वो
Just one
उनके बारे
second.
में बताएंगे?
बाकी के गाने भी जल्दी आएंगे मूवी के। ये पहला प्रमोशनल सॉन्ग है मूवी का, तू ज़रूरत नहीं तू ज़रूरी है। और बाकी के गाने भी आपको जल्दी एक एक करके सब आप लोगों के सामने आते ही जाएंगे। पहले हमने इस गाने से अपनी जर्नी को शुरू किया है और सनी और शर्मन की बेस्ट विशेस के साथ। Right? हाँ जी, किसका?
मेलोडी का।
मेलेडी का सर,
जी,
मेलेडी सर सैड लव सॉन्ग है। मेलेडी बहुत अच्छी है और डेफिनेटली आपको पसंद आएगी फॉर श्योर।
Sunny Leon here. I'd like to ask you, Sunny Leon here. The Sunny Leon here. The on-screen chemistry between you and Sarman is very good. What's the reason behind that? On-screen chemistry.
Reason behind what, sir?
Check.
On-screen chemistry.
Good chemistry. I think it always comes down to respect. And जब मैंने सुना था कि he's going to be in this video, I was very happy to get a chance to work with other actors Bollywood में who have obviously accomplished a lot, has done a lot of work. मेरे से ज़्यादा. So for me, it's a big honor to be able to work with somebody who's so accomplished. So it comes down to respect, really.
Sunny, hi, Soumya here from Zing. So it's your first music video with Sharman. So how was it working with him, and what did you learn from him?
Song is her domain. I learned from her.
What was it like working with him? It was
And
great.
what did you learn from him?
Extremely professional, very nice, very pleasant. We had nice conversations on set, which was great. When you sign to do a song, especially if you don't know each other, पता नहीं क्या है कि वो कैसे होंगे, कैसे बातें करेंगे, how will he be like, or you never know. And I was very happy and very pleased. जब मैं set पे आई थी, we hit it off right away and had nice conversations all day. It was great working with you.
Yeah, Sunny here. Justin here. Hi. Sunny, the video looks really sensual and very, very, very good. But while you're going on set, are you still nervous before shooting anything like this, a song or a scene?
No, I believe that when I shoot a song or जब मैं film shoot करती हूँ, कि the people that I'm working with, I have to believe that they're capable and they're very good at what they do. So the nervousness was never there about the set or working with Mr. Joshi here. Just none of that. I think it's more about how's Gana kaise lagega, how's it gonna look. Maybe thoda sa wo nervousness hota hai, but it's turned out absolutely beautiful.
No one, thank you so much for all your questions. I hope you all got the answers. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks, Sunny. Thanks, Sharman. And thank you to the entire team.
Last question, Sharman, were you excited to work with Sunny for this video? Were you excited to work?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I was very excited and very pleased, and had a great time working on this video with Sunny. Like she said, and like the gentleman over there pointed out, that we share a good chemistry. I think it's got to do when you kind of connect with each other as people, then somehow it appears in your work. And I had a great time working with her. Yeah, thanks. Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sunny,
Thank you so
are
much.
you making a debut in Bhabhi Ji Ghar Pe Hai by any chance? Are you debuting in Bhabhi Ji Ghar Pe Hai? Yeah, are you on the show? Yash, are you?
For the
Can you
promotion.
tell us more about it?
I didn't hear a question.
Can you please
She's
tell us
asking
more
that there's
about
a
it?
serial Bhabhi Ji Ghar Pe Hai. Are you going on that serial for promotion?
Not on the promotion.
Yeah, for the
is she-
promotion of this movie.
Are you debuting on the show by any chance?
No,
I
no,
am,
no.
I am on the show, but मैं ऐसे ही गई थी. I didn't go for any reason. Just because मुझे जाना था, मैं गई. So I went to Babaji's house.
Sharman, there are reports that Three Idiots ka sequel is going to be there. So will we get to see a sequel? Abhishek Joshi is writing a script on it. Rajkumar Hirani will be directing it.
Yeah, Mr. Hirani should be the right person to answer that, but I hope so. I hope it happens. That'll be great.
Thank you so much for all the questions. Thank you so much for coming here.
Just a moment.
And
Just a moment. That's it. As a producer of the film, I really thank you, Sunny and Sharman, to be a part of our film. I thank you them very much wholeheartedly.
thank you so much, Pradeep Gupta sir. And thank you so much all of you for coming here and making this evening more beautiful. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed the song, the most romantic song of this year, the love anthem of this year. I want all of you to please download the song right away. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you guys. Thank you very much.